Hey, you are most welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install and get started with Metamask. Metamask is basically one of the best and one of the three most popular used cryptocurrency wallets out there, and if you've not tried to use one, today I'm just going to show you how to download it and get started. It actually has a mobile and desktop version, and you could do a lot with it. Basically, developers who are building decentralized applications will use it to interact with the blockchain ecosystem, that is specifically Ethereum, and with support of the of Ethereum, and then we can move on. So to get started with Metamask, you go to metamask.io, and that's where you can actually download it from, and you can see that it actually supports 4 current browsers, and that is Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and Edge. So I have Metamask installed on Chrome and Brave, but today I'm going to simulate using Firefox. So you click on Firefox, for example. This is the browser that I'm actually using, so you just have to click on add to Firefox, and that's it. There's a little small warning here and says it's an add-on, it's not actively monitored by Mozilla. So before you install, maybe you want to be sure what you're installing is actually right. So you click the add pop-up button, then you wait. So manage your add-ons, allow, if you want to allow this to run in private windows, you could click on this. I will just leave this blank. I'll click OK. So Metamask has finished installing. So what you can do now is to get started. So if you are new, you just have to click on the create wallet. Import wallet is for the existing users. So there's a phrase key that you should be having in order to continue with this, but let's continue with create a wallet. So these are the things that they tell you how Metamask actually works, and then the things they collect, and the information, the data they collect. So you could read through and then just say agree. A password, I'm going to use a one that I'm going to change later. I'm going to use test 22 meta. So I click here, then you continue. If you want to save the password, you could save it. Then after here, they will take you through a small short video about how to actually recover your secret recovery phrase, and we shall not go through this. I'll just click next. So this is where the most important part of Metamask comes from. If your wallet, if you ever lose this key, and if you ever lose this key, there's no way how you can actually recover this particular wallet, unless you've kept this key somewhere important, and do not disclose this key or this secret recovery phrase. Anyone with this phrase can take away your Ether forever. Ether, that is the crypto that is actually used on Ethereum. And if you want to click here, you see that this is now my secret phrase key, and I think by the time of writing they're usually 12. Let me see, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, there are 12. It's a 12 phrase, like keywords. The words are 12. They're just random words. Don't mind about them. What you just need to do is to copy this. After copying this, for example, you save it somewhere. I will save mine somewhere. Okay, I've saved mine, and now I can continue. Next, now you need to remember how actually your key is, how it was actually before you even continue. So this is a test to show that what you've actually done, what you've actually known. You actually know what your phrase is. So I will just paste mine here just to be sure, and So we go for miss, abuse, current, gloom, rib, supreme, surprise, doors, office, hello, December, garbage. So you have to click and confirm it in that particular order that was given to you. They're just random words, I repeat. So basically now that is it, we are in. So we already here, they're showing, they're giving you tips to do a backup in multiple places. That's the recovery phrase key. You can also they tell you what to do next. Be careful with it, because it's the most important part of the puzzle of the MetaMask wallet. Yes, that's it. And here they tell you the disclaimer: you cannot recover. If you can't recover it, then you've lost. If you cannot recover it, they can tell you what to do next. But that's it. If you click on all done, tells you by automatically telling you that now you see I have a little pop-up of MetaMask logo, and it shows actually your current balance, and you can see that by default is on Ethereum mainnet. It's the main network of Ethereum. It's the actual network, but if you want to add other networks, you could actually show or hide. Then after clicking on show on hide, you say show test networks. These are test networks that developers use to test before they go live on the Ethereum mainnet. So you click on, then after clicking on, if you have an IPFS gateway, you could also add it here, but I just wanted that only. So if you go back, if you close this, you see now that we actually have the test networks. We have Ropstone, Rankby, and localhost. Yeah, if you want, you can actually add your own networks, and that's it. That's how you get started with MetaMask. For example, if you want to share your account address, you can create but many accounts. There's many accounts actually attached to this secret phrase key, so every account could be having different ETH. So for example, this account, this is the main account number 1, it has 0.0, it has 0 ETH. So if you want, you could actually get to see what if you on Etherscan, this account activity. So if someone wants to send you some ETH, you just have to come and copy this and give it to them. Yeah, that's it. See you in the next video. Thank you, and if you're new, please subscribe to my channel. See you.